If you're over 40 and you want to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free, there are 3 exercises you should be doing every single day. They build strength, protect your joints, and even reverse signs of aging. But the third one is the most overlooked, and skipping it is why most people become stiff as they age. Number 1. Wall angels. Wall angels are the ultimate. Exercise number 1. Wall angels, fixing your posture, antidote to the modern slump. As we age, the muscles between our shoulder blades weaken and the upper spine becomes stiff, leading to the rounded, hunched posture. When you activate these muscles, your brain reconnects with your upper back. Over time, your body relearns how to hold itself upright. It doesn't just stretch you out, it retrains your posture. For beginners, stand with your heels, spine, and head against a wall. Tuck your chin and hold your arms in a W shape, pressing your elbows back. Aim for 2 minutes a day. If you're intermediate, slowly slide your arms up and down while keeping your elbows and wrists touching the wall. Build up to 5 minutes of total time. And if you're advanced, press the back of your hands into the wall while sliding your arms. Regular practice creates a more open chest and removes that heavy tension in your neck and shoulders. Takeaway: wall angels are the reset button for your posture. Master them to keep your spine young. Number 2. Deep squats. Exercise number 2. Deep squat, unlocking your knees. The deep squat is one of the most natural positions for the human body. In many cultures, people sit in this position for hours. But in the modern world, we've replaced it with chairs. As a result, our ankles stiffen, our hips lose mobility, and the lower back takes the stress. Research shows that hip and ankle mobility are key predictors of how well you'll move as you age. Holding a deep squat helps restore that mobility while gently loading the joints. For beginners, hold on to a doorframe or sturdy object for balance. Sit as low as you can while keeping your heels flat. Aim for 30 seconds at a time. If you're intermediate, squat without support with your feet shoulder-width apart. Build up to 4 minutes total throughout the day. And if you're advanced, use the squat as an active rest position. Add small rotations or reach one arm toward the ceiling. Work toward 10 minutes total throughout the day. The deep squat isn't just an exercise. It's a return to a natural human position. Takeaway: the deep squat is your daily diagnostic tool. If you can't sit in a squat, your body is losing mobility faster than it should. Reclaim this position to stay agile. Exercise number 3. 90/90ths hip holds, the game changer for hips. Number 3. Minus 90/90ths hip holds. The 90/90th hip hold is a game changer for your hips. While most people focus on stretching their hamstrings, they completely ignore hip rotation, which is the first thing to decline as we hit our 40s. Research into joint longevity shows that controlled rotation oils the hip socket and prevents the wear and tear that leads to hip replacements. It's the secret to moving like you're 20 again. For beginners, sit on the floor with both legs bent at 90 degrees. Use your hands behind you for support. Hold for 2 minutes per side. If you're intermediate, lift your hands off the floor and keep your spine upright. Accumulate 5 minutes total per day. And if you're advanced, lean your torso forward over the front leg and hold for 1 minute. Work toward a 5-minute hold per side. This move opens the hips and removes the stiffness that makes getting out of a chair harder with age. Takeaway: the 90/90ths hip hold is your insurance policy for your knees and hips. It's the one move you absolutely can't afford to skip. These 3 exercises can completely change how your body moves after 40, but the deep squat is the real game changer for your joints. If you want to learn how to do it properly and unlock its full power, click the video on your screen. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.